Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am participant number 49. I'll never know if you love me or my company, but I don't mind, 'cause I'm not trying to be the one been through this 1,000 times. I don't need to take your hurt, you keep yours, I'll keep mine. All I really know is when I'm lonely, I hate I'm lonely, and that's why I let you in. Maybe on another life we fight all day, kiss all night, but I don't wanna break your heart. You keep yours, I'll keep mine. I know better, so we both better go. I don't need a reason to keep on dreaming, so we don't lose your what's in use. I don't need a reason to keep on dreaming, till we can read and anything at all. I'm only one who sees right through this. Yeah, all this bullshit. Don't play me for no fool. You're gonna lose your mind every time I'm cold. And as I never have to win your love, they hate myself when I don't. Ooh, fickle as you are, that's a second way. Keep it running, babe. 'Cause I'm pretty on a part. We're always wrong. Ooh, and maybe when you need my help, I like myself when it's over. Letting the light you go dark and broke, and I need closer. And I know whatever this is in love, so I'm gonna let you go, let you go. I don't need